Happy Thursday, guys. So, as usual, you know my pattern here, pop and drop. I actually had put my Fibonacci retracement line right up there. But let me see, let me just adjust it to where it's now the new high of day. And we're going to get in with a short because this thing should be coming down now, $6 a share. Let's go with 500 shares. We're going to short sell and paper trading on Webull for your entertainment. So here we go. We should be getting in right about now. Okay. This thing is messing up my flow. Okay. Let's go. We should be in. Where are we? Okay. Here we go. So, based on our Fibonacci retracement, we should be coming down to quite a lot. All right. So we're just going to hold this and see where it falls. We're looking on the daily because the minute just looks like this. So I'm watching it on the daily. I should, however, put in, as I should usually do, is put in my minute fib lines. So let's do that now, and we're going to change the color so we can distinguish between the daily and the minute. Let's make that bright yellow so we can see clearer. All right, so both are hitting on this 50, so we might get that there. Let's see where the 50 falls on the daily. No, that's not, oh, this 50, but that's a 0% there. So it's saying that we should get it back to this higher day right here, which is $5.44. We're in it at $6.38. We're going to buy it back on limit at $5.44 because that's what it told us to do. And I'm going to set that in. Yeah, there's a gap, but that doesn't concern us. All right, let's watch it back on the minute. So far, this is the only stock I see tradable. I was watching a few others, but nothing to write home about. The market still hasn't picked up based on the impending news that's going on and start of the year. So we're getting a double slam here with what's happening in the news and being at the start of the year. We'll come back to this. All right, this is going to be a slow boat to China. So, and this just got shifted. Let's just take that out and put that back in. Let's look at it on the daily. Now we've shifted to 343.95. I think this is also shifted too. I'm not sure what happened here today, but we're gonna fix it. Let's take that back out. So let's put our daily from, and that's again what I like about Webull. They already put that in for me, so I don't need to do anything. This line here is where it's hitting. I like to see confirmation of both, and there's not really any. There's just so far. But the 539 still looks good to me. Okay, let's see what's happening here. All right, so that's pop and drop. Yep, our pop and drop signal just came in, and that's the reason why, folks, you do not go into a trade unless the pattern is formed. What I was doing here was just saying, oh, it hit resistance, so let's take it down. But I wonder if we can get in with just 100 more shares. I think we should be able to. Want to see the struggle first. It's struggling right there. Based on our daily, where's the possible next level? No, it's past that. Okay, it's hitting right here. That looks good to me. That looks really good to me, so we can possibly get in right there, but we want to see the struggle like I said. Thinking we're gonna miss it. Okay, let's just jump in for another short sell with 100 shares here, and we're gonna have to adjust this when that gets filled. Pop and drop pattern. I'll draw that pattern. And now we're gonna adjust that. And we're gonna also adjust that to, I like the congregation of these lines right here, so I'm just gonna go in with the average 554 or the middle. Usually you wait on the pop before you get in. There's a struggle, so this should be coming down now, and it's not. Damn it. Let's see where it went. Yeah, it went a little higher than I thought. Went all the way up here to this resistance support line. So this thing is, I don't think this thing is going up any further. There's another nice one here all the way to $9. The news ain't that good, so, but we'll see. With our perpetual $2,000, I don't think we could probably get much more, so we're just gonna hold for this thing to get back down. Let's redraw our minute fib line, because we now have a new resistance or a new higher day. Multiple tries to break resistance, failed. Looking good for us shorting. I'm thinking that we might need to adjust this to at least here, 594. Let's not get too greedy. Yeah, based on what the market looks like, the Dow, Nasdaq, and S&P, looks like it's going to be a shorters kind of day today, so that's why I'm in this short. Happy that I saw that pattern. Now I know our unrealized looks scary, but that's not what we're about here. We're about watching the pattern and trusting it. Now it's a pop and drop. It did its pop. Now we're waiting for it to drop, and it should be dropping roundabout to where we have it set. And that was what, 594. This says 597, so could possibly fix that, but it's gonna be around that area. I like that the daily and the minute are both here. I like that very much, so we might see that later today. Don't know if I'll be around to wait for it, but we can watch and see. It's now hit on VWAP, and still waiting on that. Looking good. I'm a little coward, so I'm just going to just change this to 597. Because we might just get a bounce, and I don't want to be in it longer than I have to. This is crudely drawn, but you got the gist. We might not be walking away with a big profit today, but it's bouncing on our minute fib line. That's going to be a major stop. They're close together. They're close enough together to be a major stop. I'm liking this one here, but we're going to take it here. If it blows past it, then I'll hold, but I don't want to be in this stock longer than I have to. Aside from this stock, everything is just such low volume. Just doesn't seem if it's worth it to trade today. And this is why I've set my buyback at 597, because it's going to be a long day. Things are so slow this morning, not a lot to trade, so I'm just taking first out green. I mean, I could have gotten out here, but I'm estimating that it will get to here. But it's just gonna consolidate for a bit. Okay, so now it's on our daily fib line. It's 10:14. I'm just so tempted to just take that right now and get out, but it does have a long way to go. I mean, you know, coming down, so just want to wait and see. Okay, here we go. See if we can get to our 38.2, which is a major one. We're over $100, so it's almost tempted to take it. We've been in this stock for half an hour, but now that it's moving, let's see if we can take it down there. I don't like to take profit outside of where my lines are, but there are times when it just gets so slow that I just, you know, just take whatever and go, but it's moving. All right. It's at 608, 607. We're waiting for 597. 606, 605, 3. Come on, 597. Okay, we should be out of the trade. It went all the way down. Okay, there we go. All right. So a little, just under $300. Took forever. It's now 10:18. Like I said, I don't usually like to be in a stock this long, but because it was a long way down here, and this looks very prominent, we waited for it. Though it's very hard to wait for it. But yeah, now we're hit. We're out. 298 on the day. I'm gonna call it here. Not a lot to see today. There are things moving, but most of them at a snail's pace. Was watching TRIL, and that's another big regret for me. I was watching TRIL all the way down here, and now this stock is all the way up here. That was a big regret. I was watching it while it consolidated here, and I just got distracted and did not go back into this stock because it was just taking too long. And now this stock is all the way up there, and I am feeling so I'm not feeling good about this, and let me see where it's at. It's at right there, so it's not even worth it for me to get in right now for a long. Oh dear. Okay. That's just it though, but you're gonna just shake this off. You shake it off and walk it off. Tomorrow's another day. I'm just gonna just leave that right there. I'm not even gonna change my lines because so I can see my regret. Anyway, guys, we came, we saw, we conquered on AGTC, walking away $298.01 on the day. Took us almost an hour. So we're just gonna walk away because this thing is just gonna probably do this again, but this looks very prominent. It might go down to there, but I'm not gonna wait for it. I know it's kind of stupid leaving money on the table when I have all day to trade, but if I can get into something that's gonna move a little faster, then fine. This though has the highest volume for the day, but this is nothing to snuff at. If you make that every day, you'll be sitting pretty at the end of the week, end of the month, end of the year. So I'm just gonna walk away here and let that thing just do its thing. Today's just a little bit too slow for me, so I do have other projects I'm working on, so I'm just gonna walk away here. All right, so you guys have a wonderful rest of the day. Be patient where I can't, and I will try to get you something tomorrow. Let's see what happens. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and or keep on keeping on. All right? Talk with you guys later. Bye. And this is why I got out. There it is, confirmed. It hit where we set it up to hit, and there's bouncing back. So this was a major one right here. Just wanted to bring that to you. For my usual, hey guys, I'm back, addition to this video. So there it is. Take it where you said you're going to take it, and just forget it, because there I'd be stuck in it shorting this stock. So bye again. See you tomorrow.